The financial landscape of 2026 is marked by rapid shifts and high volatility. When investors rely on intuition or guessing to navigate these swings, they often find their long-term progress stalling before they reach their goals. To avoid this, you need a system that replaces emotional decision-making with deliberate mathematical planning. This is where a professional-grade mutual fund calculator becomes your most important tool. By the end of this tutorial, we will use this tool to build your customized wealth projection map. We'll look past the current market noise to see how your money could accumulate over the next 10 to 20 years. Whether your target is a safety net of 10 lakhs or a retirement corpus of 1 crore, this process reveals the specific monthly investment required to stay on track. Using a mathematical projection tool replaces guesswork with a calculated model. It provides a visual roadmap showing how specific, consistent actions accumulate toward a defined target. This interface shows our 2 starting options. We will select Systematic Investment Plan, or SIP. Investing a fixed amount regularly lets you buy more units when market prices drop, which provides the benefit of rupee cost averaging. Next, we establish our baseline financial commitment. We will input a starting monthly investment of 5,000 rupees. Now for the expected return rate. To keep our projection grounded in reality, we will avoid entering aggressive numbers like 20 or 25. With a standard savings account earning only 3 to 4%, inflation can quickly erode your purchasing power. Reaching a near 100% return over a decade is a direct way to ensure your wealth grows in real terms. Step 2 requires us to look deeper. We need to examine the year-by-year wealth projection schedule to see why many retail investors struggle to stay the course. This table breaks down your annual progress. In year 1, the wealth gained is just 4,047 rupees. At this stage, the growth feels very slow and incremental. By year 5, your total wealth gained is about 1,12,000 rupees. While the growth is accelerating, this is often the psychological point where impatient investors decide to stop their contributions. But if we look at the data for year 10, we see a jump to 5,61,695 rupees in wealth gained. This is the moment where the returns on your accumulated profits begin to rival the actual money you've invested. This graph highlights a critical mathematical reality. The magic of compounding only becomes clearly visible after the 7 to 10-year mark. If we extend this same calculation to a 20-year horizon, the curve shifts again. In the second decade, the exponential growth can result in a final value that is 3 to 4 times your total investment. Navigating those slow initial years isn't about market timing or stock picking, it's an endurance test. This calculator helps you visualize the long-term target so you can stay disciplined during the early years. However, market returns are rarely a smooth line. To build a resilient plan, we must stress test our numbers against market drawdowns and economic shocks. Try dropping the expected return rate in the calculator from 12% down to a conservative 8%. This simulates how your portfolio might perform during a prolonged period of market weakness. The split screen shows the difference. While the 12% run reaches our target, the 8% run shows a much smaller corpus, illustrating the potential impact of market underperformance. To account for this risk and stay on track for your goals, you can use a mitigation strategy called the Step-Up SIP. The Step-Up strategy is simple. As your income grows each year, you increase your monthly SIP contribution by a fixed percentage. For example, stepping up your 5,000 rupee investment by 10% every year. This adjustment has a significant impact. By increasing your contributions over time, you can potentially reach a milestone like 1 crore rupee 3 to 5 years earlier than with a static investment. By combining realistic return expectations with a step-up strategy, your plan accounts for market cycles. You aren't just looking at an ideal scenario, you're building a strategy designed to reach your target even when the market fluctuates. You now have a clear, data-driven map for your future financial goals. When you see the exact path your money will take, saving stops being a monthly chore. It becomes a measurable process toward a specific outcome. To make this a habit, run these projections on the first of every month. Before you pay your rent or utility bills, check your progress and use the numbers to remind yourself why you are investing. Remember that mutual funds are subject to market risks. This calculator provides educational projections, but is not a guarantee of future returns. At Arthveda, we believe that time spent in the market is more valuable than trying to find the perfect moment to enter it. Take the numbers we just projected and use them to inform your next move. Open your investment app, set up your SIP, and start building your plan today.